The human skin, as the biggest organ, is essential to the human body. It is a first line of defense against the harshness of the outside world. Other than the various senses, it's also the only way of the body to get information from the outside world. This information gathering, which is essential to our well-being, is performed by receptors that are peppered throughout the surface of our body. There are four types of receptors that populate our skin: pain receptors, thermoreceptors, mechanoreceptors, and touch receptors. Pain receptors, or most commonly known as nociceptors, are themselves divided into three categories that all send a feeling of pain to the nervous system: thermal, which are activated by extreme heat or cold; mechanical, which are activated by excess pressure or skin deformation; and chemical, which are activated by chemical stimulants such as a bee sting. On another note, thermoreceptors respond to fine changes in temperature. Both these receptor types are composed of free nerve endings. To continue, mechanoreceptors group different types of sensations, such as vibration, pressure, etc. Vibration is detected by Pacinian corpuscles. Pressure is detected by Merkel's disc or Merkel's cell. Indentation is detected by Messner's corpuscle. And finally, stretching is detected by Ruffini's corpuscle. Ultimately, the sense of touch is detected by a combination of both Messner and Pacinian corpuscles, as well as free nerve endings. It's often a combination of all these different receptors that bring us the sensations we feel in our day-to-day life. There is a different concentration of these receptor types in accordance with their usefulness throughout the body. For example, there is a greater concentration of thermoreceptors in the backhand when compared to the palm. That is why it is advised to feel a doorknob with the back of your hand rather than the palm during a fire. The concentration of pain receptors can also be estimated by using only household items. Take two toothpicks and a voluntary participant. Begin by pricking the same spot with a toothpick and slowly start picking away as much as possible. Stop when the experimentee notices two distinct toothpicks. Doing so for different parts of the body reveals the prominence or lack of nociceptors. Thus, as can be seen, there are much more nociceptors at the back of the hand when compared to the forearm. All in all, the integumentary system is a much more complex system than one might initially think.